Cheetos! What are you doing? Psst. What are you eating? What is this? What? Hey, look. Popcorn. Oh, it's her favorite. Uh-oh. Dropped it. Don't eat me. She's wacky for popcorn.
Well, she's crazy for anything because she thinks she's starving.
She's starving for popcorn. She loves it.
Starving for everything all the time.
Hmm. What? You dropped it again. Here. Hello. She loves it. Here. Here. Hey. Is it good? Cheetah baby. Hey, baby. See what's in the bucket? Aha.